Samco Machinery, global innovators in roll-forming and value-added solutions. Samco Machinery is more than just a traditional roll-forming company. Since 1972, we have built a reputation as a customer-centric, full-service supplier. We have an unparalleled capacity to take complex manufacturing scenarios and problems and provide innovative and cost-effective solutions. But there is more to this story, much more. Through our unique position as a fully vertically integrated company, we partner with our customers. In addition to manufacturing the world's leading roll-forming equipment, we have two additional divisions that allow us to become a complete solutions provider. Samco's rolling division was created to perform large and small production runs, take on short-term increases in volume, and produce products prior to machine delivery. Our rolling division has grown substantially through seeking out opportunities to support niche customer markets, servicing customers that either do not have the physical floor space for roll-form equipment or are in startup mode with limited working capital and low initial production volume. Our wide range of in-house rolling mills allows us to support both large and small complex profiles. This versatility in range of shaft size is beneficial because we often run production products in parallel on a variety of our rolling mills. With a 1.5-inch, a 2-inch, a 2.5-inch, and two 3-inch rolling mills, we partner with our customers to produce products, augment production, and accelerate projects. Our customers benefit from our expertise and our full vertical integration through reduced overall lead time to production due to our in-house engineering and toolroom capabilities. And if initial samples for fit and function are required, our Fabrication division is there to help. Samco's Fabrication division allows customers to see and touch finished products prior to full-scale production. Our Fabrication division's core competency has expanded to allow rapid prototyping as well as full-scale production. We meet our customers' special needs from design, to concept, to samples, and to full production. This increase in customer offerings is due to our continuous investment in specialized equipment and skills. Our facility's 100,000 pounds of lift capacity enables us to manufacture large structural weldments, ranging from press construction to mezzanine and structural beam fabrication. All of these offerings are made possible by our large facility with its state-of-the-art equipment, our advanced skills, and our numerous certifications, including CWB 47.1, Division 2, GMAW, FCAW, and MCAW. With our extensive fabrication competencies and our proven engineering know-how, we go above and beyond by offering genuine VAVE solutions. The rolling and fabrication divisions. Two more reasons why Samco Machinery is more than just a traditional roll-forming company. Samco Machinery. People, products, and passion.